Фестивал на светлините LUNAR. Мебели Виденов и МП Студио представят Фамилия Идилия.
Welcome. Tonight we will tell you a little story. Well, okay. Imagine it more like a reality show story. In the previous season, the most noble prince chose Princess Velia and gave her his rose. They lived happily together, furnished their chambers with love, and had wonderful children. But as it happens in fairy tales and often in neighborly relations, the wicked witch envied them and condemned them with the most terrible curse. The plumber's curse. The castle's pipes burst, and the young family was forced to move to the villa with the entire family, including the in-laws, only while the reconstruction lasts, which is forever. Oh no, as you can expect, generational clashes, endless bathroom queues. Silence! Let me hear the news, just once.
These kids are catching a cold. Your spouse can't cook anyway.
No one enters my room, and so on and so on. But the princess, inspired by love, was determined to bring peace and unity into the house. Velia drew up a plan for the week, and oh goodness, everything fell into place. We'll scroll quickly because of our short attention span. Every Monday was a woman's holiday. The ladies rolled out 30,000 words, and the gentlemen were happy to listen to every one of them, and then, all together, hopped to the royal shopping mall. Tuesday became a man's day. Barbecues, tuning the royal carriages, sports, and the ladies enjoying a game of silence. Wednesday was destined for the cooking class, led by DJ Granny. No one was allowed in without wearing socks. Thursday, a day for TikTok dancing and computer games. And the party continued on Friday. During the weekend, everyone was relaxing and enjoying. Just kidding, of course. It's more of a reality show than a fairy tale. They barely waited for the castle renovations to finish to forget the drama. And though they developed nervous breakdowns, life went on pretty much as usual. And if there's a lesson to be learned, children, it's to respect our parents and grandparents and to make compromises. And don't ever tell Grandma you're thinking of becoming a vegan. Grandma is old. Anything can happen to her. Family is the most important thing. Let's love and help each other.